Janine, so proud at na-overwhelmed na napasama sa film ni Direk Love Diaz. Punong-puno ng pasasalamat ang isa sa bida ng movie na Pantos Mia na si Janine Gutierrez na idinirehe ni Direk Love Diaz kung saan nakasama ito sa iba't ibang international film festival. Kagaya na lang sa Venice Film Festival at Tokyo International Film Festival. So happy at so proud si Nini na naging part siya ng movie na ito kung saan nagbahagi nga ng larawan ang dalaga sa kanyang Instagram kung saan may caption na Loves Diaz Pantos-Mia is out in local cinemas. Now, swipe to see the list of cinemas. To those who watched yesterday, thank you, thank you. I feel like a 4-hour film is a true test of love. But Direk Love is such a master, you don't even feel the time. But we are so grateful for your love. Woo! As I'm typing this, I still can't believe I am part of a Love Diaz film. Manifest lang ng manifest, guys. Marami naman ang nag-congrats sa actress at bilib na bilib sa acting ni Janine. Congratulations, Janine! Ganitong movie ang worth it. I support very high quality at mala international ang atake. Ganito ang mga hinahanap ng mga tao ngayon. Congrats, Nini! You really deserve this kind of blessing. Sobrang proud kami sa'yo at happy lahat ng supporters mo. Standing ovation talaga for you. Congrats, Janine. Galing ni Reyna. Nakakaawa kayong magkapatid. Kainis si Miss Hazel. Finally, meron na sa Iloilo. Congrats sa atin, Nini. Love you and so proud of you. Congratulations, Ni. Grabe, ang galing mo. Lalo na yung tatakas then hindi sumama kapatid mo. Grabe yung emosyon. Acting sa part na yon. Naiyak ako. Congrats, Nini. Di sapat ang kwento lang. Kailangang mapanood ko itong Pantos-Mia sa Saturday. Mga ka-Ekonin, tara na. Well done at Janine Gutierrez. Hope your movie gets shown in Los Angeles. Congratulations once again. I hope Netflix or Prime gets to stream it here in the US. It actually didn't feel like 4 hours, that scene of yours. Towards the end. Made me almost tear up, excited for you. Other films, and The Accused too. Watch na tayo Pantos-Mia, mga Janine supporters. Worth every minute, congratulations Team Love Diaz. A film worth watching. Janine, today, I am manifesting to the universe that this love movie is soon to be on Netflix, Australia. Would you believe you have 4 movies still going on here? The Girl and the Gun, maybe today, here and there, and only you. It has never been taken down yet. I have been watching these movies over and over. We will watch it, ate. Grabe, dabing ganap ha. Tuwang-tuwa nga si Janine sa napakagandang pelikulang ito ni Direk Love na talaga namang pang-international ang datingan. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, ating suportahan at panoorin ang Pantos-Mia. For sure, marami tayong aral na matututunan dito. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na ito, comment down below.